That's only the beginning. All right. Everybody keep an eye on it. Heads up, boys. We're down in the middle of the battle. All right. You see the muggers moving in. We have a lady. Whoop, we got one of them. The button team's in the saddle. Stay there. Don't come down, boys. Okay, Amanda. There's a girl in this. Amanda, whoop, is getting the saddle on. Almost. They got a quick cinch on there. We need to get somebody across the line. I think it's a $900 payday today alone.
Go, Josh! Go, babe!
Now let's just get them across the line. Come on.
Woo! Go, Josh! Hang on, baby! Hang on, babe! Hang on, baby! Hang on, baby! Woo!